was really poor plan.
Slide with me if you feel with me, that's a deal, right?
Okay, so we have the box. Ooh, maybe I shouldn't show that side. We have the box. We're going to go into the garage now because my mom's watching a scary movie. Okay, so we're in the garage. We got the box. I'm going to unbox it for you. Also, the first step was to unlock the car, pop the hood, and then put my key 30 meters away. So I did that roughly 15 minutes ago. They said to give it at least 10 minutes so that all the extra electricity leaves. Done that. We have the goods. Gonna unbox it now and let's get into it. Ooh, fancy box. Ooh, looks so nice. Okay. Cute.
Got about an extra 100 horsepower right here.
Wow, so nice. The presentation of this is really nice. I mean, I didn't unbox my dine-in one. I kind of just did it at the dealership, but I really like the way that they present it. It's really clean, looks nice. So we have all the stuff, and then oh, this is really nice. We needed these last time. They have their logo. I feel like such a beauty guru. Okay, bend over. All right, step one we got figured out, which is identifying where everything goes. This should be good. Yes. Okay. So now once I have that, then I don't hang on to it. Oh no, I don't want to lose it. Oh, this was really poor plan. Oh no. Yeah. And what else? This? Yeah. Yeah. No, that's it. Female end. Why is it called the female end?
The gray locking tab.
Why are they male and female? What's up with that? I don't know if I put that in all the way. I guess we're gonna find out. Okay. So she's on good. Oh yeah. Where? You can do it. What is your problem? Come on, you can do it. Okay, I see you.
You see me?
You see me.
Yes, I see you. You see me? Hell yeah, I see you, boy.
Okay, it's the next day. Somebody lent me some advice about what tool I needed to use, and that they said that this will change the game for me. So that's what we're gonna try. We're gonna try this tool, and hopefully it's the magical tool that's going to pop the off. This is her. I fucking got it. I got it. It's on perfectly. Putting these little clips onto the chip.
Ride with me, that's a deal, right? Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like 550 on the 5 sticky, come get high with me, that's a deal, right? That's a deal, right? That's a bet, right? That's a bet, right? That's a deal, right? That's a deal, right?
Here she is. All nice and organized. I did it exactly how they said, so I thread it through the plastic. Okay, so now I'm going to turn on the car and test it out and make sure that there's no issue with how I installed it. And then we're going to go to the racetrack tomorrow. Okay. issues yet. So far so good. Not having any problems, so very good sign. I have it in all sport plus now and it sounds fine. I don't feel anything weird. I don't hear anything weird. I'm not getting any ears popping up, so I think we did a good job. That's good. Okay, we're in the car waiting. I have some friends that are coming now to meet up with me and they're also gonna run. My best friend could not come today, so that'll have to be for another video. But yeah, we're just waiting now. I went through tech and getting ready to test it out. Okay, so we just finished the first run and my reaction time was pretty bad. I ended up getting a 1.17 reaction time, 117 reaction time, and 12.433 for my run. So I'm back home now. I ran a little bit slower than last time. The conditions were relatively the same, maybe 5 degrees warmer, and I had maybe quarter of a tank more of gas in the car. I think that's gonna be it for today, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll look forward to seeing you guys in my next video. Bye!